So then it's...
Yeah.
Oh.
Det er løgn. Det er løgn. Nej, 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 nej. Ej, nej, nej, nej. Hold kæft, mand. Yeah, okay. It happens. I can already say it's not really the same the morning routine without Hans. I can do it a lot faster when I don't have Hans, but it's not as nice.
Ah.
Is there a...
It's the other side.
Oh yeah, that one, yes.
That's not okay.
It is.
You have to change.
I don't care. But I didn't want to... You can't put the triangle the other way, it was an extra piece I had. I didn't care.
Looks great.
Apart from that, yes, it looks pretty good.
Perfect. You're happy.
Yeah, it's going to be behind the drywall, so it's fine.
It stopped like 3 days ago maybe. But maybe they were here another time.
Just go in your car and I'll chip in a little for you.
No, that's fine.
Yes. No, we need to do that.
I also think we are not away the whole day.
No, I think that's a good idea.
Until lunch maybe.
Then you at least get something from having me with you guys. Okay, like yesterday, yes.
Like
Steinpilz.
porcini. I don't know in English, but
Oh yes, yeah,
Yes,
the porcini.
I think it's also for having a walk. But it's in very good shape.
Well, I guess you can. If you want to cheat nature, it's gonna have consequences. Like sheep and cows, olive oil and all those, they are mentioned like a lot of times.
But they're saying that they are not pure because they are not eating.
Now, did you touch the?
But I did a flat one.
I saw a nice YouTube video yesterday about improving on YouTube. I sometimes fall into those traps. He said like sometimes you get the work done faster if you go slower. That's probably true in some instances because it's definitely better than burning out. These days are also important, so you don't. Yeah, you can't work 7 days a week.
I think you would be even more productive if you had 2 days off, and then 5 days left days really concentrated and focused.
It seems a little counterproductive to begin and take down the OSBs again, but I found out, thinking about it, researching a little bit, that if we want to do the, foundation, we're going to put a diagonal beam here to carry the loft, and this wall will also be carrying the other part, but we needed it off to find secure fixing points. It's very important that you drill into a natural stone and not in the joints, because the joints are very old. As you've seen, I've tried to patch them up, but the cement and the mortar in between is very old, so it can't hold anything. So that's why you need the natural rocks, whom are supported by the weight of the house and the masonry ring on top of the walls of the house. So that's why, and I must say it's nice to get started on another project. It's been a lot of drywall and OSB, which is soon finished. I can't really believe that big stable is done. And yeah, the other reason we had to begin building the foundation or the shelf for the bathroom is that we ran out of OSBs, which means we can't use the rest of the drywall. So next week I'll go get the rest. It's because the supplier I normally go to, he ran out, and he'll have them in 2 weeks after Ferragosto, the big Italian holiday where everything is shut down. So I have to go to another place to get them, which is a bit more expensive, but what can you do? It is what it is. And I had a nice little half a break day yesterday with Lina and Valentin. We went to the sea. Very nice. I just wish Stine and Hans was there, but a beautiful place they know. Not too many people. I won't mention the name, so I won't spoil it. And yeah, also picked some blackberries. The last thing I did before Hans and Stine went to Denmark. Made a little bit of jam, which I forgot to film, putting it on glasses, but you get the idea. The video this week is not too long because I have chosen to do a lot of time lapse, So the editing is a lighter task, so I can really get a lot of stuff done while Stine is in Denmark. That's the reason. And I think it's fun, a lot of progress in a very short amount of time. We'll see if you guys like it. I'd love to hear your thoughts as always. Yeah, not much else to say then. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week.